Ke Voice of the People's Party kalapan pendapat bau General Secretary ke parti Dr Ricky Syngkon beundai kyrtong jongka hak election MP Lok Sabha House number 1. Ya kini lapan benadau Dr Karachan Vice President ke parti hadian ke jingelang ke State Election Committee jongka VPP hak no pai sngi jongka arpoi tarik ujeleu arja arpulai.
Bat ka jingtu jongi ni ke por ni ke purpose kalong ban penbena ya candidate MP jongi naman tak election parliamentary election kan ban long how 2024. Di ka pede bagani parti jongi ke State Election Committee kala ya kendu aka khat rutrik jong nu benai bat hadin ke bangi la ya perkat sani ba ngin me ya kren shibun ti ngila ka klami ka wei karai ba ngin nominate ya Dr Ricky Syngkon Ricky Syngkon ban long candidate jong ka Voice of the People Party naman ta ka parliamentary election ka ban long 2024 kata kadai ka purpose jungi bentaban permana ka jing tumu jungi kalong ba gila ban ya chakmat ya ka jing trikam jong ka parti ke namar langi permana lupa yo candidate ka suk bangin ya chakmat nang ni kan kemudian kong ba Syngkon udai no founder member jong ka VPP udai ru general secretary jong ka parti te ko jong ka por udai beriu ba labiang ka jing nang jistar udai no hikai ha ka school ba hane ho te kum ka parti ni so he's the right person kan langim jit yo founder member jong ka parti te yanung jit yin haban jit yo try jong ka parti bolong founder member ba general secretary jong ka parti ru em kila don ki application mentan just now I told you bangkai don ki application ki don ki bala ki ba ya kendu ya president ru individually kom to personally you see winnability factor is a very difficult to say whether a particular candidate will win. Okay, what we feel is that once he contests from the party, okay, then he will win. That is what we feel. If he contests from the party, then there's every chance that he will win the election. That is what we feel. It does not depend because it's not only depend on the candidate. The party also plays an important role. Everybody berkata ni nakaliang jongi ngi kemio ai namar kitu ki bala mut kila yo kentu president bat ki don ru na pedeng jongki ki bala ai diki jingtho di application mau bikin kwa ban contest ni ka MP election. Em ko mong mentan dai ka jing tmu ni kalau ngila lang yo banyak chakmat kan. Dai bangin ni pentip lupa ka kamsuk ingi bangin ya lenti nei bangin election. Ai kata hang ni giwan syatang bentak parliamentary election ke MDC election ngintang ngi pat ikren kanang don ka proses binang select iki candidate adu bentak kam iki MDC ngi pat rai ai ro.
Dr Dipankar Das DM Cardiology MD Medicine na Kaswagat Hospital Guwahati undon hanong ba Shillong haka arba South Rik ujileu 8,000 arpulai na duo kapor khatway baje Minstep Howardland Hospital undon ru hakasi sajan ka basaw man lau benai kino ki badan jing pangklong snam kila banwan ni selok yu call how number khandai not pra khandai not khandai nyo khandai not nyo